Chapter 8.1 Dictionary in Pygame 0. 2. How to access value in dictionary.
How can I access the value in the dictionary?
You can access the value via the key. Let's write the code.
What does this code mean?
This code maps a location to the name of its corresponding Major League Baseball team in the dictionary. This code retrieves the value of the dictionary by specifying its corresponding key in square brackets. The get method can return the value of the item with the specified key. Let's run this code. The text and the retrieved values with the corresponding key are drawn.